shake it, baby.
Hello, hope you guys are doing great. So you have seen my recent post on why I have put on weight, how women are putting on weight. There are different reasons for different people, but these are the common reason, and this is my reason why I have put on weight, right? Ready to know what are the 5 hacks to get rid of food scarcity from the mind. Okay, so here you go. Now we are in pandemic. So what happened when government announced that there is going to be 3 days proper lockdown, no essentials, nothing, and you need to stock up, you need to get the groceries and everything for 3 days. So what it did in mind of people? They thought, okay, the life is over, and they just went to the shops, grocery shop, picked up things for more than 3 months so that there is no scarcity of food at home. So to get away out of the scarcity of food in your mind, you need to stock it up. Now how we do it, right? So don't start any of your diet plan, whether a crash diet or a calorie deficit, whatever diet you want to start. You need to first take out the foods which you are craving for to a level that nothing can beat it. That only give you control when you follow your diets. Okay, so first hack is you need to stock it up, the food you eat and what you love. For example, most of the people in South, I know their favorite food is biryani. So because we don't cook biryani at home every day, too spicy, so whenever we get, we started hogging upon it, right? So what we can do, have a bowl of biryani every day at home. It's not a rocket science to cook biryani. There are a lot of recipes available. If you want, I can share one. So just try to eat biryani every day in a meal, one meal, any meal you eat, dinner biryani, a bowl of it, okay? And for a week continuously, same, you should be eating it. So what are you doing? You are stocking up the food in your mind and your cravings. So when you have overstock, you don't feel like eating, right? So that will make a base for you to cut down the food which you love it. So that's the first hack. Just try it. Now, what could be the second hack? I need to think. Second is, you need to eat this biryani same time, same place. You have to have your biryani every day. So I'm using example of biryani here. So any food, whichever you love and you're eating excess and you think that is what craves you more to you end up eating, you got to be eating at same place, same time. Why I'm saying this? Psychologically, whenever we do same thing at the same time, we get practiced and we get bored of it and we require a change. That's the reason I'm telling you this is the second hack. Now what is the third hack? Now we have stocked our food, we are eating on time. Now if you're hungry, then you will eat more. So what you can do, you should have your proper 3 meals, snacks, whatever your lifestyle is. You should not wait, okay, I'm eating biryani, I will not eat later. Don't empty your stomach for a biryani, okay? So we are not working on to see a capacity how much you can eat, right? So you have to have your proper meals along with the favorite food, okay? So this is your third thing. So what this will do, it will, because when you are more hungry, you eat more. Never make yourself that much hungry that you end up eating extra junks. Okay, now what is the fourth hack I should say you? Fourth is consume water, because most of us don't drink water, and when they are thirsty they'll pick up that bottle and they'll be gulp, 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 gulp. Please do not drink water that way. You're supposed to sip water every 15 minutes. So you have heard a lot of the health professional doctors advise that drink 3 to 4 liters of water, because water is important to our body to move around the substance we have in our body, right? But if you drink all of a sudden so much water, what will happen? You have seen balloon, right? If you put water, get bulge. Same way our stomach get bulge. So ensure whenever you're drinking water, you're sitting it and sipping it. So try to have an alarm or something. Drink every 15 minutes. Sip it. You need to sip it. You not to drink. Okay. When you sip it and drink water, actually you don't feel thirsty for longer. So fourth is drink lot of water. The fifth hack is don't go to a friend's house or to a hotel when you're doing this act, when you are trying to work on removing the scarcity of the food in your mind. Because what happened, you're still in the process. When you go out, okay, I have told you to eat biryani, you will go eat more. So don't do that for at least a week. After a week you will be all set to start any kind of diet which you love it, and enjoy the process. These are my 5 hacks which will take scarcity of food from your mind. So rock it and enjoy your journey. Bye.